I always thought international criminal law was actually quite complicated. But what was nice about being in Leiden University is that all the lecturers managed to make it quite simple for you to grasp. And it's great both for professionals and for people who are just starting out their career.
In our first week of the summer course, we learned about the crimes of the jurisdiction of the court. First about crimes against humanity, after that the war crimes, genocide and crimes of aggression. It was very good because half of the teachers were present in the draft of the Rome Statute. So this was very good to us to learn how was the crimes of aggression was negotiated in the Rome Statute.
Week 2 of the program was really exciting because we got to learn about how the ICC cooperates with national governments and is implemented domestically. And we got to learn about that by hearing both from lawyers at the ICC and from people who work at non-governmental organizations.
In my opinion, one of the most unique aspects of this summer school on international criminal law was the fact that we were able to partake in a cross-examination exercise. The purpose of this exercise was to analyze witness statements that we'd been given, find the discrepancies, and afterwards cross-examine the witnesses on the stand. The most difficult part of this whole exercise was the fact that we had to remain in control of the situation and had to work with witnesses who weren't always willing to answer our questions. We actually had to box them in, but it was definitely a rewarding experience.
My favorite part of the summer school was the cross-examination exercise. I come from a civil law country and therefore our system is very different. So it was very helpful to learn how cross-examination is done in other countries and in other systems.
During the summer course we had a moot court exercise where we have to prepare a base role case and we have to defend each position, prosecution, defense team and the representation of victims. And during all the course we got lecturers to prepare this moot court, so we have the feedback from the summer school to prepare ourselves. It was a wonderful experience where you have to work in group, where you have to learn the skills to appear before a court, and that is something that you cannot get elsewhere.
The Hague was such a wonderful setting for the summer school. Not only was it home to the ICC and the other tribunals that we were learning about, but it's also such an international hub and just a really welcoming city, and you feel the international community as you walk around, and it was really a lovely experience.
I'm really impressed by the lecturers, by the city, by the whole atmosphere that you have through the international student body, through the amazing lecturers really that we have, the great facilities that we have at this university, so that I actually have reached the point that I've decided that I'll probably come back here if I can to do my PhD in international criminal law.
So after a full day of moot courts, I can totally say that I'm very, very happy that I chose the summer school, and I can now say that I fell in love with international criminal law. So thank you the organizers, and thank you for all the professors and judges that came to see us and to talk to us. Thank you.